They see you as more benign, and you get more and more interactions with the creatures in the jungle. And it's really a special experience, you know, when a deer walks close by you, when the coatis walk across the trail in front of you, when the turkeys are coming out and drinking water while you're having tea in the morning. Just different things like that. Just having that experience, it's a moment. It stops your mind, and you're just there with the animal, totally present, totally in the moment, and yeah, it's beautiful. One of the unique features of the property is it has a cenote. All of the Yucatan, none of the water is actually on the surface. It's actually all below ground. So the animals have a really hard time getting water. So having the cenote there allowed for a lot of different bird species to come, and they'd come and get a drink of water. And one of the conditions that we changed on the property was creating a lot of little wet ponds. So we feed the water into even just a little bowl of water and put that out on the ground, and all sorts of birds, and then we're getting all sorts of different insects and all sorts of different animals are starting to come. And so because we had great success with our first just putting a little bowl of water out, because a lot of these species can't even get down into the cenote. It's like 10-meter drop into the cenote. They can't climb down, then they're not getting water. So by just introducing different water features, and we'll talk about that in another video, we have so much more diversity of different species have come because they're attracted to the water source. There's over 1,000 species of trees native to the Yucatan Peninsula. And one of the reasons that we really enjoy this area is because we can do a lot of carbon sequestration work in the area. The tropical trees grow so quickly within a few years that you're re-establishing a forest, whereas in the temperate region it's much slower process. So we can pull down a lot of carbon and put it into the vegetative matter and put it into the soil, into the living tissues of the plants, and sequester a lot of carbon. We have over 500 different herbaceous plant species on the property. So each one of those species is unique, and so you have unique pollinators that pollinate only that plant. So the more different species that you have and the greater diversity of species of plants, you're also increasing the greater diversity of insects, birds, mammals. So you're increasing the diversity of the entire ecosystem.